Hello and welcome to TFM. This video is about bringing native USDT into Cosmos. First of all, a user has to move native USDT onto their Kava EVM wallet. Once it's there, they can transfer it easily into Cosmos using TFM IBC Transfer. Select Kava EVM and then the destination chain where you'd like to send your USDT. In this case, we're using Osmosis. Select USDT Cosmos, decide how much you want to send, and then just transfer. And this sends the USDT from Kava EVM to Kava Cosmos and then onto the chain that the user selects. So this will be a two-step transaction. Firstly, bridging to Kava Cosmos, and then secondly, in this case, we're sending to Osmosis. So this is native USDT from Kava EVM onto Osmosis using TFM IBC Transfer.